In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Basecamp onboarding tour for new users in Basecamp. Because Basecamp doesn't include a built-in click-through product tour, we'll simulate that experience by planning a clear learning path and guiding people through a dedicated project. Start by defining exactly what you want new users to learn in their first session. Think in terms of outcomes. By the end, they should understand what Basecamp is for, how to navigate the homepage, how to create and complete to-dos, how to post a message, and how to invite a teammate. Keep your scope focused and write a short, friendly overview so your onboarding feels like a tour, not a textbook. Next, create a dedicated onboarding project. From your Basecamp dashboard, create a new project and give it a welcoming name such as Welcome to Basecamp or Getting Started Guide. A clear title sets expectations and makes the project easy to find later. Consider adding a descriptive project summary so newcomers know they're in the right place the moment they open it. Add your new users to this project so they automatically receive everything related to onboarding. Invite them through the People and Permissions area and double-check they have the appropriate access. If you have different groups joining, you can still keep one project and clarify which parts are essential for everyone. Now, structure the project to guide people step by step. On the message board, post a warm welcome that explains what Basecamp is, why you're using it, and what to do first. Keep it short, link to the to-do checklist, and let people know how long the onboarding should take. In to-dos, create a simple checklist that functions like your tour guide. Include tasks like completing a profile, exploring the homepage, creating a first to-do list, posting a message, and adding a teammate. Assign due dates if timing matters, and use clear descriptions so each task feels actionable. Checking off items gives users a sense of progress and reinforces the core workflow. In docs and files, upload helpful resources such as PDFs, screenshots, quick tips, or short video links. Name files clearly and keep them lightweight. If you already use an external guided tour, link it here so everything lives in one place. Finally, use the schedule to add key dates such as a live onboarding session or a Q&A. Include time, location or meeting link, and an agenda so people know what to expect. This simple structure turns Basecamp's core tools into an effective guided tour, giving new users clarity, confidence, and momentum from day one.